Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. All right. Do you feel tired or sluggish, or do you feel you're out of shape? You don't have endurance? Do you feel like that? And do you want to be fit? Do you want to be strong? Do you want to feel sexier? Do you want to be more confident in yourself? So if that is you, or just like a lot of people that that I come across in the clinic, or even people that I know, my recommendation is exercise and movement. And most of them, if not all of them, actually knows that. When they Google, and I think that's what people will be telling them. Or when they Google, a solution to their problem, they know that movement and exercise is the solution to that problem, right? To change what they're feeling or how they're feeling. Now, the most common problem there is why. Now, the question that I always ask them is, why can't they change it? So why are they not doing the solution to the problem? Then the most common answer that I get is, I don't have time to work out. Right? So I want to shatter that false belief. I discussed that in a different video, that your exercise doesn't have to be very long. So I want to shatter that false belief that the exercise have to be long. I know some people go into the gym in 1, 2, 3 hours, to lose weight, to get fit. I want to change that mentality, because I want to get rid of that excuse. I don't want an excuse about time. I don't have time. No, I don't want to hear that, because there are programs out there now actually that can be done in 30 minutes or even 10 minutes that can give you results. And what I'm going to be launching soon, the chronic pain and weight loss program, the exercise part can be done in as little as 8 minutes a day. All right. So why will that be effective if it's not that long? The reason that it will be effective, or exercises that are shorter duration nowadays are effective, is because as long as the exercise have the proper intensity, they're hitting the correct muscles, right? The correct muscle groups, and they're correcting the imbalance in the body, it will give you the results that you want. It doesn't have to be the length of time, right? It's the intensity, what you're hitting the muscles, it's the quality of the program, the quality of the exercises that you do. That makes the difference there, and that will determine if you're gonna get good results or not. All right, so I want to just make sure that everybody knows that, and people can stop using the excuse of not having time to do their workout. All right, because if it can be done in as little as 8 minutes a day, by any means, I don't think, or in anybody's vocabulary, I don't think that's long. All right, so I want you to start incorporating, part of an exercise program that can be done in a short period of time. So that way you'll get into better shape, you'll be healthier, you'll feel more confident, and also you'll live longer and have less pain and inflammation also, because it will correct the imbalances that you have. All right, so feel free to share this with people you know, friends and family, and feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can like us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. And I'll see you next time in our next tip of the day video. Be pain-free and stay healthy. Bye.